All right, all right. Okay, let's see my face. Let's switch that around a little bit. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to add books to your shelf and kind of explore one of the reading apps called Sora. So, first thing first, you want to go to Rapid Identity. I think that's the easiest way to get to it without having any issues with trying to log in and things like that. And so you go to Rapid Identity. Of course, you log in. If you're having trouble, this is just a side note. If you're having trouble with logging into Rapid Identity, make sure in your web address bar you have AISD.net in there. So sometimes students will have other schools there and it won't let them log in. It's because they're not in the correct, they're not using the correct website. Okay, so they might be in Rapid Identity, but it's not the actual Arlington Rapid Identity. Anyway, that's just a side nugget. All right, get logged in, going through Rapid Identity, and one of two ways you can do this. You can kind of browse to look for the Sora app, which is this app right here, or you can go and search for it. All right, so you can go here and search for it. Sora, and it'll pop up as you're searching. Okay, so there's two ways you can locate that. Right, oops. Record this tab. All right, back at it. All right, so when you go into Sora, your screen won't look like that. Your screen will look like this unless you've already logged into Sora this year. Once you get here, you just type in Arlington, or you can do the zip code, but I like to type it in. As you're typing in Arlington, or even if you finish, it doesn't really matter, but look, I messed it up. All right, when you finish, you'll see there's several Arlington public schools or Arlington schools here. So you want to make sure you're choosing Arlington ISD, okay? Because there are a couple different options for Arlington schools. And so you see these are in Tennessee. I don't know how to say that, New York. All right, moving on. This is my school. It's going to first show you what's popular right now. So this is a popular topic right now with everything that's going on in 2020. These are some of the popular topics. Okay, but you don't have to actually use those topics. It's another way you can search for books. You can actually, if you have a book in mind, you can search for it. So let's see. Spider-Man, I think was, I don't know. I feel it usually pops up. There's a dash there. But anyway, if you want to choose the Spider-Man book, you will select borrow. If you're unsure, you go to read a sample. And it's going to give you about a chapter, a little bit over a chapter. And so once you choose that, it's going to take you through that sample. You can kind of click, start narration, turning into
Chapter 1. The best thing about headphones?
First of all, I didn't even know that was available right there. That's a new option. You guys might like that. Last year I tried to get the system to read to students and it would.
When you wear them, the rest of the world doesn't exist.
Okay.
Nothing else exists except you and your music. The worst thing about headphones, you have to take them off sometime. Miles! Whipping off his head.
All right, so eventually the background, like orchestra type stuff, classic music type stuff would turn off. I don't really have the patience to hear it do that, but when you choose a book, that's what you'll get. All right, you can zoom in here, all right, kind of move it around with your mouse if you want to kind of explore that, or you can, use the little rolly thing on your mouse if you have a mouse. I have a wireless mouse. You get them for about $5 at like 5 and below or something like that. All right, let's get out of the screen. Close it. All right, so now that book should be, it's not because I got the sample. I didn't actually get the book. All right, and so another way, if you're not sure what type of book you want, you can go down and look at the popular subjects. If you don't see what you want there, of course, I want to look for sports. And so actually video games first. Let's go to games. All right, and so I have Fortnite. Of course, this is the guide. I don't want to read the guide, but just for this purpose, I have the guide in my shelf. if you're trying to, okay, it doesn't give me those options. It's not as many game books. So let's go back. Might be video games in here somewhere, but I'm not really looking for it. I do want to go to sports though. Once my computer loads, let's go to sports. Come on, computer. All right, here we go. All right, so if you are a Muhammad Ali fan, you can read that book. If you are a Jordan fan, GOAT Talk. I don't even know what your vision on the GOAT is, but he's right there. However, look, man, I can't even read this book though. So right now, I could place a hold on it. If I hit the little clock here, it tells me how long I'll be waiting. 2 weeks at most. If I get outside that 2-week frame, somebody else might get it. And if the person who has it already turns it in early, I can get it as well. Okay, so there's that option. So you would just place a hold on it. I'll go ahead and do that. And now it should tell me there's one person in waiting. I'm the person in waiting. All right, so I can look for something similar. We got LeBron James. Got a couple on him. You know what you want to rise above. I just do this one. Got your boy Steph Curry in there. All right, so I haven't really chosen the book yet. I just selected it. So it tells me what form the book is in. It's an ebook. So you can also do audiobooks where it just reads to you. I didn't know they had the narration there, so we can check that out as well. It might read to you as you read. That's a great option for you if you want to improve your reading. It gives you somewhat of a summary here. And so goalkeeper, this guy is a beast as a goalkeeper. Dude's a beast. And that's one of the best shooters alive. He hurt right now. His team outside of the playoffs. And then you got LeBron James trying to get that title this year. Either way, it gives you some more options about people in sports or similar topics based on what you chose here. I'm going to go ahead and grab that one, borrow it. Yup, and it should open up for me. Now let's see if it narrates for me. That would be interesting. Again, that's a new option. I hadn't seen that before. Maybe that's just for the preview or the sample. Let's see what we got. Who is that? Shoshana. Might be his wife or his daughter. No narration. Oh. Move this out the way a little bit. No narration. Gotcha. Anyway, you can read the book. That's a good option as well. Maybe in the future, they will have a narration for you guys other than the first chapter. Anyway, so this book is now on my shelf. So what happens, I need 3 books. So for this particular assignment, you need 3 books. So I have 3 here. I wouldn't read this one, so I need to go find one more. And I'm a sports junkie. I can read what I like. Ooh, number 10, Serena. Number 10. How are both of those number 10 in the series? It's kind of throwing. Oh, it's two different authors. Gotcha. Okay. Can't do women in sports. So I'll be waiting 2 weeks. Place to hold on that. Let's go look at Serena's story. Okay. Grab that one. Now I have 3 books, so I will go back. It's going to open up for me first. And I have mine on a dark screen. I don't like the white screen. It's too bright. You can change that. Well, her book is already kind of like that. Double click. Computer slow. Sorry. All right. And you can change that reading setting here. And go from that way. I don't like it when it's that bright. I like it when it's dark. Might throw the yellow in there. That's cool. Something different this year. Zoom, bookmark it. So if you're reading more than one book, it'll show you down here at the bottom where you left off, or you can go over here and it'll show you as well where you left off. All right. Anything else that I can think of? Let's see. It shows you the books that you checked out here. It also show you on the shelf. It'll show you the books that you have on hold, so the books you want to get in the future. If you want to add some to your list, this was a really good book. These are some books that I read. Weird, but whatever. And then this shows the activity. You can get some badges. We'll talk about that later. My computer. Here we go home. There's a bunch of different things you can do here, but for the purposes of this video, you really just want to find those books and put them on the shelf. It also tells you how long you've been reading, how many times you came in, and your badges are also here. So you don't have many badges, but that's okay. All right, so I am going to go to the Explore page. And so you can also scroll down and it gives you some other like options here. If you want to see the image as you're choosing your book, you got some read-alongs. That's interesting. I haven't seen those. These look like they're the lower levels, but oh, this one is there. That's why that one was reading to us. See, I'm learning something too. Anyway, hopefully, I think this video is pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it off here. Hopefully, this helps you guys out a little bit. Oh, some of these books have one copy. Some of them have several copies. So like the book I had only had one copy, the Jordan book, there's only one copy. So whoever got that book got the only copy. All right, let's see. There may be more than one copy of this book. Let's see. It'll tell you. I don't want to add it to my... So if you want to read, the reason I bring that up, if you want to read a book with a partner, that's an option if Sora has more than one book, has more than one copy. Let's try this one. It's going to open up. Of course, close it out. Sorry, so it's not going to show me. But that's an option as well. All right, so think of any questions. Of course, you can inbox me in Canvas. But once you actually choose your book, go to your shelf and let us know what you chose. You have to have 3 books. You're not going to read all 3 books, but you need at least 3 good options, like books that you were really considering reading because you're going to have to read them. Some of the things we're not looking for, we don't want the graphic novels, all right? Now, unless there's a storyline there, all right? So you want something that you'll get something from. So, of course, this book, I doubt this book is really long. It's due in 20 days. I can return it early. I could send it to my phone. If I wanted to, I can mark it done and then return it early for me. It tells me the Lexile. You guys will know more about your Lexile later on, but I can kind of see what level this is. I think 1040 is a 10th grade level, even though it says 6 to 8 right here. Typically, when we look at that level, it's on the 10th grade level. I don't know why I did that. I just messed that all the way up. I want to return it. All right, go down. It's the 10th book in a series, which means there's 9 other athletes that they kind of talk about, which is cool. It's an ebook. Let's see if we can find before we cut the video. You guys, I mean, if you want to stop watching here, it's fine. I want to find an audiobook. This is narrowing down my search to just audio books. Explore. How do I do that? It used to be easier. All right, so I go to search, advanced search. It's my dark screen. Format, and I want to say just audiobooks. And also, if you want to, you can just say available books. Ooh, I got to read along ebooks, but check that out later. Right now, I just want to see audiobooks. All right, and go search. Even though I didn't choose what book I wanted to read, if I go to audiobooks, it shows me just those audiobooks. Let me pick up a book. Let's see. You Should See Me in a Crown. Ooh. Let's try that. I reached my limit. I got to get rid of some. Add it to my list. Class read. I don't know. Let's take something off. Fortnite. Get that off here. Get it out of here. Return it. Turn it. Now let's go back to my search. I know this video gonna be long. Sorry guys. Just trying to help you guys out a little bit. It's a 7-hour, 18. I like unabridged books because when they're abridged, you don't get the whole story. Like they cut off some parts of the story. So young adult book. We're gonna listen to a sample. Maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't. Come on, computer. All right, here we go. 5 minutes left.
This is a copyrighted word. Unauthorized copying or distribution is a crime punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a fine of $250,000.
I want to do that anyway, but I want to leave that in there.
Scholastic Audio presents You Should See Me in a Crown by Leah Johnson, read by Alaska Jackson.
Hopefully the music cuts off soon. This music be like weird. I'll let you guys try that out on your own.
Place in which I'll fit will not exist. A thing to do. Derek Lawson leans into the word thing like what he's prepping for is some big mystery as he plants himself directly in front of me.
All right, I'm going to stop it there. The reason why I wanted to do that, to show you, like, unlike some other audiobooks, these audiobooks, they read with voice actresses and actors. And so that means they're going to give you the emotion as if you're listening to a movie that you're unable to see. And so that's why I like audiobooks. So you can choose the audiobooks or the ebooks. Both of those will be good. All right, I think I've given you guys a lot of information. This is a young adult book, but I think I want to get it, but if one of you guys want it first, I'm going to give you that option. So the next couple of days, I'll check that out. What is this? The season of Sticks Malone. Anyway, I'm checking out books. That's how you would select audiobooks. And if you wanted to go back, if you wanted to go back and just look for, go to search, just look for regular books, you can go back to any. I did see the read along ebooks. That's a really good option. Again, those books are a little bit lower. But we want your reading, so you can check those out as well. We got the Harriet Tubman. All right, we out of here. If you have any questions, inbox me and we will help you with that. Otherwise, hopefully this video was very helpful for you guys who are using Sora for the first time. All right, I am going to leave. I will show you how to do this on your phone, but you guys probably know how to do it better than I do, so cut that short. All right, see you guys later. Peace.